Hey, welcome to REC Canada. I'm Jas Takhar.
And I'm Simos Papailias, co-founders of the Real Estate Center here in Toronto,
The fastest growing city in North America.
We're the #1 real estate brokerage and investment firm in the country. REC is an award-winning full-service real estate sales and consulting brokerage. Our team, 5 highly qualified and trained realtors, help thousands of buyers, sellers, and investors every year.
Our media division produces hundreds of hours of video, audio, graphic, and written content. Podcasts, vlogs, blogs, luxury property tours, webinars, industry updates, and books.
Our mission is to help people just like you create wealth through knowledge, education, and we do it all for free.
Call us, email us, or hit us up on Facebook and Instagram.
REC Canada. World-class service
for a world-class city.